In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up YouTube parental controls. Whether you're a parent, guardian, or just someone who wants to make YouTube a safer space for younger viewers, this is an essential feature to know. We're going to walk through the process step by step to ensure that you can easily manage what content is available on YouTube. So, grab your computer or mobile device and let's get started. First, you want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the YouTube homepage. You can do this by simply typing youtube.com into your address bar and hitting enter. If you aren't already signed in, make sure to log into the account for which you want to set these controls. This is crucial because the restrictions you're about to implement will only apply to the account you're currently using. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the YouTube page where you should see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu with a variety of options. Finding and clicking on your profile is like opening the gate to manage all your account settings, and parental controls are no exception to this. Within this drop-down menu, you need to look for an option that says Restricted Mode. This feature serves as a filter to help hide potentially mature content. So take your time to scroll if needed, making sure not to overlook this important step. Clicking on this option will guide you further into the Settings menu, where you'll make one more adjustment. Upon finding Restricted Mode, you'll notice it's switched off by default. You will need to toggle this option to activate it. This step is crucial as it will block videos that have been flagged as having inappropriate content. Be sure to click the toggle switch and also review any additional settings that might be there to ensure everything is set up according to your preference. While enabling restricted mode generally does a good job, it's important to remember that no filter is foolproof. Occasionally, content slips through the cracks, so it's always a good idea to remain engaged and aware of what young viewers are encountering online. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to setting parental controls on YouTube. By taking these steps, you've added an extra layer of protection for younger eyes as they explore the massive array of content available on the platform. Remember, these settings can be adjusted or deactivated whenever you decide to revisit them. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to create a safer online environment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips.